Disk Transport Part 4. So let's see, where were we? I was just about to get back to that go position, which requires me to go up 700 more. So I'm going to drive forward for 700 to get up back to the go position. So once I have dropped it off, that sequence finishes me off back at this position where I'm ready to scan again. Great. So let's just play the, oh, you know what? And then there was this mistake that I made, energize the magnet to drop there. I definitely did that wrong. So let's just go ahead and run it now and see where it leaves us. We go, we pick up the thing, we successfully move back to the center, we back up, we drop off the blue thing, cool, and boom, I'm back at my go position, just like I wanted to be. So what I want to do is turn left and then find the other one. So how do I, let's see, where am I? I'm in this loop, and I've just successfully dropped it off. And so then I break this loop. So now I'm at the end of the check and grab. So I'm still in the go get it block, sort of like Inception. Yeah. So at this point, I actually want to start over. So what would I do? This is when I decided to use a tool called recursion. It's kind of an advanced thing that I've never actually successfully been able to use before, but check this out. So what if I take the go get it block and put it right at the end? That would mean after I've gone to home position, after I've dropped off the thing, now it's telling me to go get it again. So that means I go back to this and I start. But you may notice something weird about that, because in a way of looking at this, check and grab is inside the go get it block. So it's almost like something is referring to itself. It's like telling itself to happen. That's why we call it recursion. I'm starting the sequence over. But don't overthink it too much. All it really means is that you start back at the beginning. But if you want to really impress somebody today, tell them that you wrote a program with recursion in it. So fine. So I just started over, and now I'm going to turn left, drive forward. I check and grab. If the down eye is near the object, well, no, there's nothing there anymore. I just picked up that position. So what I have to do is move forward to the next position, which is 200 more. So I go forward for 200. And then what? Well, now I'm on the other, I'm in position 2, so I'm just going to put another check and grab block. So if I run this now, what we will see is I've got it, and I'm recentered, and then I go back and I drop it off. And then I go and get the second one, and hopefully it'll work. Yep. And then it will kind of knock the other one out of the way. Great. So now this is going to take us back to that point. And now, all right, yeah, and then it got stuck. So at this point, we're pretty much done. We just need to program the way to get through all the other disks. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this recording for just a second while I go ahead and put all of those in. Great. So I encourage you to pause and copy all of these things down. What this will do is get you through the first 6. Okay, you're going to do a check and grab when you get into the position of each one. And then I put in a little turn forever loop at the end, which it successfully did. My challenge to you is to get the other 6.